Today we're going to teach you how to use MATLAB Mobile. Is an app for that the engineers use for doing matrices, applying functions. It can do a lot of mathematical operations. The software costs, but in this case we have a free trial, and we're going to teach you how to insert matrix on this platform. So let's start. We're going to start by dating our matrix, putting a name to it, and opening corchets. Then if we want to put the number in the first position and the first number, we just have to put a number. Then if we want to put another number on another column, we just need to put comma and the other number we want. If we want to insert another row, we just have to put point and comma and proceed with the same pattern we used. And if we want to put an end to the matrix, we just end the corchet, then we put intro, and there's that. So we can do it again, but in this time quicker. So yeah, matrices are a group of numbers in the same corchets. And we can even sum this matrix. We just have to put the name of the dated matrix we have named and the operation we want to do. We can also rest it. We can also multiply them, but we have to see that if we want to multiply, the number of columns have to be the same as the number of rows in the second one. And we can see the problem here was that we didn't put it correctly in the way we needed to do it. So you can see here, it says error, invalid expression when calling a function or indexing a variable, use parentheses, otherwise check of mismatch delimiters. In this case, we didn't put c equal to. We have to be really focused on those kind of trouble. And we can add three model matrix. So if we want to hide the keyboard, we just have to put here this button where it says hide, and we can see all the history, and we can delete it or otherwise use it, and we just type which ones we're going to use. We can evaluate them, or we can go to copy and just paste them, and that's it. It's really good because if you got out of the application, you have all your data here, so you can go every time you want to see them. And the reason of this application is just to get you out of a rush. It is not for really extreme purposes, it's just for the moment. If you want something more professional, you should go with the pay